Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-step solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Abaddon's Arsenal of the Demonic Vessel for cheap in Dota 2. To do this, you first need to open your Dota 2 and go to the Armory tab right here, and under Abaddon, search for Arsenal of the Demonic Vessel, which is right over here. Click on it once, and to purchase this, normally it'll cost you 875 Indian currency. Now to buy this for cheap, go click on the I button right here. There's more information about the set. Here are the items included in this set. So to buy this for cheap, all you need to do is buy these things separately instead of buying the whole set at the same time. For example, this sword costs you around 744.22 INR. This will cost you 1.19. This will cost you 1.29. This will cost you 0.27. And the mount will cost you 0.83. Which would bring up your total around 750-ish. So yeah, you're going to save a lot of money doing this. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Cease. Happy gaming!